Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing an action pose, and it's a cartwheel pose. So essentially we're showing a person upside down. If you have your pencils all set, let's put down some key, very light framework, so very light lines. And this is essentially a leg. This is the other leg, lower part of the body. I intended to put it here, but it would not work well. So we come backward, and that is the torso. Now there is a slight hunch when we are doing, if we can do a slight hunch and you could do a very straight body, but I think it's more characteristic to have a slight hunch in the cartwheel. So I'm going to, like that, I'm going to move this framework that way a little bit to make room for that arm, and that's okay. And I'm still, now you can show that fully extended, or you could show it like fully extended, or you could show it slightly bent like that. And so once again, this hand can go here, and we can do a few different things with this little setup. So if you could grab, if you want to finalize the shape, you could grab a pen or go about a more solid pencil and lay out some finer, more solid lines right around this guy. And what we are doing is to start off just doing a very generic layout. So if it's an outstretched arm, and normally cartwheels are associated with like people like who are more fit. I mean, I know there are some heavy set people who can do cartwheels. I have seen them, but generally it's like more people who look more fit. So you could stretch out the arm in this way, like this. And then here we can have a few different things going. So that is the back of the hand, that is the thumb, and the placement of the fingers varies according to the angle. So that is one popular angle to put it out in. There's our pectoral framework. Let's say that has some kind of slacks on, and this arm you could stretch it out again similarly. Of course it's not on any kind of weight, but it is a popular thing to have the hand out in a posture like this, in a position like this. So it's a free hand, and guys cartwheeling the head somewhere here, so not, it can be high up, but right here I'm having him look a little bit down. And there's one way of getting around to it. But then there's a lot of other things that we can do with this. So that same hand, you could place it here. And this hand here, you could have mostly it'll be like with fingers like tucked in like that. You could also have it going right on the side, and that's the index finger, that is the thumb in that Superman like position. But you could also have some foreshortening and have this leg like brought down sort of in a way like that. You could have both legs in the same position, or you could also go and just put on that foot like that, just for making it more dynamic. And you could also have the legs farther apart. So different things. And let's not also forget, because the head is part of this very important position, action, this pose. So you could also have the head, and I hope you can look at this like carefully, clearly, because I know that it's getting to be a mess here. So the head is upward. So eyes here, mouth, and of course there's the chin, and there's the shadow under the chin, but there won't be a shadow in this case because light is coming on and falling on this person, but I'm just making that darker just to illustrate that that is the chin going up. Ears will be placed around here, and he's looking that way and upward, or I mean downward in this case, when he's doing that cartwheel action. So a lot of fun to be had with this, and a lot of, I guess it's used in comics and different illustrations for different purposes. So thank you for watching. Please do let us have your comments. Do subscribe. Keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.